Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I do a lot of DIYs on how to care for your natural hair using natural product as well as protective hairstyles that can help you retain length. Let's dive into it without wasting much of your time. In today's video, we'll be using these ingredients for our oil. So we're going to be using mint leaf, rosemary leaf, coriander seed, fenugreek seed, moringa powder, olive oil, castor oil for our hair remedy. I'll go ahead and add all the ingredients in the jar, and this is gonna be in there for about 2 days, infused in the oils. Alright guys, as you can see, I have 2 carrier oils, which is the Jamaica dark castor oil and the olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Any oil that will work for you, that's what you have to use. So guys, if you feel free to add like essential oils, you feel like it's also working for you, there is nothing bad in it. You can just go ahead and add it to it. I don't have essential oil right now at home, that's why I didn't add it to it. Let's talk about a bit of all the ingredients that we have here. We're going to start with the mint leaf. Mint has a great source of keratin and antioxidants that promote hair growth and as well as to help prevent hair fall. The potent antimicrobials and antifungal properties of mint leaves help get rid of dandruff and help fight against hair fall. Let's talk about rosemary leaf. Rosemary is an aromatic herb used in food. The plant is considered a cognitive stimulant, which helps improve memories, performance, and quality. It is also known to have stress-relieving benefits, which can be beneficial for those suffering with chronic anxiety. Rosemary contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that tend to stimulate hair growth and reduces hair fall. It is also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. Moreover, it helps stimulate blood supply to the follicles and strengthen the hair. It can also be help in other hair issues such as split ends and fight against dandruff. Let's jump into the next one, which is the coriander seed. Coriander seed can also help in promoting hair growth. There can be many factors like stress, hormonal imbalances, etc., which can lead to hair fall. Coriander seeds can help prevent hair loss by invigorating the roots of the hair follicles. Regularly massaging your scalp with hair oil containing coriander seed can help in regrowing your hair. Let me quickly say this: if you are here for the first time or you've been watching my video, you haven't subscribed, please just go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Just keep on watching to the end. Let me go straight to fenugreek seed. Fenugreek is a great source of vitamin such as A, B, C, K, and it contains a lot of compounds such like iron, potassium, protein, folic acid, and many more that are really essential for the health of our hair. It has powerful antifungal and anti-inflammatory effects that maintain a healthy scalp environment, hereby promoting stronger hair growth. Fenugreek can prevent hair loss, revive hair damage, fight against dandruff, control scalp inflammatory, add shine and soft texture to your hair. Last ingredient in the list is the moringa powder. Moringa promotes hair growth. It has vitamin A, B, and omega-3 fatty acid. All these nutrients nourishes the hair and promotes our natural hair. It nourishes the hair because it is rich in zinc, which helps to protect the hair from dryness, and it's also full of antioxidant properties, and as well improves hair shine and elasticity. As you can see, all these ingredients have one thing in common, which is to promote our natural hair growth. Applying method: put your hair into session if you feel comfortable that way, and apply the oil to your scalp and gently massage so that your scalp can absorb the oil. Leave it overnight and wash it the next morning. This ritual can be performed twice a week for 1 month to achieve a better result. Ensure your hair is covered with the scarf in order not to mess up your pillowcase. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, just keep on coming back, support your sis, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye.